Hi, my name is Ernesto Moreno. I am the founder and chief executive officer of Moreno Associates. We were founded in May of 1993. My why is basically because I worked for some larger companies prior to that, and I wanted to do something on my own, but I didn't want to scale up to the large union-based multi-thousand employee company. So I thought I could do something that was above and beyond the mom and pop shop, but still offer the quality services and I guess convenience of working with a local company and being hands-on. I know most of my employees. We have an employee base of about 250. We are in our 30th year of business, and we've been very blessed to be such, and more so as the founder and now father of four. 3 of my kids are currently working within the company, and very proud of that. And I'm looking for the third generation of Morenos to continue with the business. So that's my story.